like usual, I'm a little behind getting my plants out, but they are looking beautiful now. This mini greenhouse thing has worked amazingly well. I don't think I've ever had such big tomato plants that I grew from seed this quickly. So hopefully they're not going to suffer too much from having been grown that close together. I'm going to get some of these planted today. Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm pretty excited and hopefully start the work on getting the plants out into the actual garden bed. As you can see, I have quite a bit of work ahead of me. This is our strawberry patch here. Very overgrown with weeds. I'm gonna do my best to clean all that out as well, but I gotta clean out the main kind of bed that I had from last year here as well. You can see there's quite a bit of grass that has grown in now from the end of the growing season and the spring now. So I'm going to try and clear all that out. Got a couple of sage plants in here as well. Got the little strawberry over there. So I'm going to clean this out, try to get it ready. It's definitely getting kind of late in the day. There's no way I'm going to be able to plant the stuff before sun kind of hits this area. I might even not plant them today and just prep everything and weed everything out today, and maybe plant some other things. Like I still haven't planted my peas, and maybe that's what I will work on. So we'll see how the day progresses, but you can stay with me and see how it goes, and hopefully by the end of the day this will all be looking a little bit better. And the sage plants are doing beautiful. They have like lots of flowers on them. I'm sure there will be lots of good seeds to collect from there as well now in a few weeks, or I don't know when you have to collect them. I have to check, but probably later. So stick with me and let's get to work. Well, that took a good part of the day, but I finally cleared this area here, just up to the strawberries basically. So I still got a lot of work left to do, but this has taken quite a bit of effort and quite a bit of time. It's been really hot, so it's kind of tough going. I'm going to take the small bit of mulch that I have left, and I'm going to scatter it around here because some of the areas are getting kind of thin. And some of the areas were never covered very well to begin with, because as you may remember from previous videos, this was done in kind of piecemeal sections with whatever mulch I had at the time. And also some of it is just like, pine needles and leaves and kind of like twigs and stuff. It wasn't like a proper mulch. So I'm going to take the rest of what I have and just dump it on here. That'll probably be the end of the day. And then we'll see about planting next time. So that's it for today. I used up all the rest of the mulch, just kind of filled in the sparse areas. Everything's looking good now. Got rid of all the weeds here, so that's pretty good. Next up will be the strawberry patch, but that's going to be for later. So right now I'm just happy with this. I gotta go, and for the day, yeah, so I left the tomatoes under some kind of like partial shade, so they should be okay. And we'll see. I'll try to get this planted as soon as I can, but for now at least the prep work is done. The other mulch bed is certainly looking a lot better than this one because it's the mulch was a lot thicker, and it also had less time from the time that I made it to the time that I weeded it for the weeds to grow out. So I should be able to clean that one a lot faster than this one, but we'll see. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. And see you in another video soon. Thanks everybody for your support. Bye.